Hello. I've been noticing that the leaf buds on the trees are starting to swell, and that's because the sap is rising in the trees. The sap brings all the nutrients from the soil through the roots, up the trunk of the trees, through the branches, into the twigs, right to the leaf buds, which will, in a few weeks, uncurl and make the woods green again. Well, I can't see the sap rising, but I might be able to hear it. I've chosen a silver birch because these are the best trees to listen to, and you can tell a silver birch because it's got this white bark, white silvery bark, and you need to make sure that everybody around you is really quiet. So Biggles, shh, and then I'm going to put my ear onto the trunk. When the sap rises, it's like a sort of glug, 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 glug sound. It's really, really special to hear that. So even though it's cold today, I know that spring is really on its way and nothing is going to stop it. So here is a spring song for you. My lady spring's all dressed in green, she wears an emerald crown, and all the little twigs and buds are clinging to her gown. And when she smiles the sun does shine, and when she cries the raindrops fall. My lady spring, my lady spring. So see what signs of spring you can see now.